Teezer van Wold HR. Dam is sibling to Grand Prix and World Cup winner Apart. Top talent Newmarket VM has made a promising international debut this year under Kars Bonhoff and is here linked to a small but successful performance family. Teezer van Wold HR was bred out of the mare Breezer, who is a half-sister of Grand Prix and World Cup winner Apart. This chestnut was successful for years under the saddle of Peter de Vos. Grand Dam Petroesca has also foaled the international 150-level horse Langley Ajax, ridden by Alice Oaken. From this direct dam line descend the international 160 jumping horses Everado of Rolf Briel and Millennium of John French as well.